Winter is coming. This is the chipmunk man's 7th year with his amazing chipmunk village. As you can see right there, baby Squishy's out. And the baby Squishy loves her daddy. Hello there, my precious girl. Baby Squishy, would you like some delicious nuts, my sweet baby? Baby Squishy soon knows it will be time to hibernate. My sweet baby Squishy is gonna miss her daddy, and the chipmunk man is gonna miss his beautiful baby Squishy. But baby Squishy knows daddy will be there waiting and ready for my baby Squishy once spring comes. Baby Squishy, would you like to fill the cheeks, my sweet baby? Look at that beautiful baby. Baby Squishy, daddy loves you. And I'm gonna follow you back to your house, my sweet baby. Okay. Baby Squishy's going through a tunnel. There's baby Squishy coming outside of the tunnel with her cheeks filled, and she's home.